Fine, let us start solving problem number 24. Fine, let us check out this. Ravi purchased, this is a problem based on profit and loss, right? Profit and loss. Ravi purchased a chair at 500 and sold it at 550. What was his gain or loss percent? So now they have given the cost price. Cost price is equal to 500 and selling price is equal to 550. Now compare selling price and cost price. So say SP is greater than cost price. That's what Mr. Ravi is going to gain or profit. He is going to make a profit in this particular transaction, right? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So what is selling price? That is 550 and cost price is 500. He is going to get 50. The profit is 50. So we have to find the percent, gain percent or profit percent. You know the formula, profit percent is equal to profit into 100 that divided by cost price. What is profit? 50 into 100 that divided by cost price is 500, right? This is cancelled. 5 ones are 5 tens are. The answer here is the 10%. So in this particular transaction, Ravi is going to make a 10% profit.